Good morning to all. 7th standard biology nutrition in plants. Students listen. All are wrote the book back exercise in your book. I hope all are wrote the book back exercise in your book. Today we discuss about question answer. Answer the followings. Okay, yeah. So you take your biology note, science note. Okay, you leave the first page and write the second page. Okay, in your note you write the question and heading black pen. We use black pen. Okay, answer you write the answer only blue pen. Okay, all are listen. We use the black pen only heading and questions. We use blue pen only answers. Okay. You take your biology note and write clearly and neatly. Okay. First one. All are write the heading nutrition in plants. Then you leave your one line and write the side heading answer the followings. Okay. Answer the followings. First one. Why do organisms need to take food? Why do organisms need to take food? Answer. Organisms need food to grow, repair damaged body parts, get energy for doing physical work and protect themselves from diseases. Okay. Another one time I read. Organisms need food to grow, repair damaged body parts, get energy for doing physical work and protect themselves from diseases. Okay. Then you goes to second question. You draw a tabulation. You see the slide. In this type you draw a tabulation. First, distinguish between parasite and saprophyte. The parasite and saprophyte is a mode of nutrition. Okay, it's a heterotype nutrition. Okay, difference between parasite and a saprophyte are first tabulation parasite. First point, parasite depend on other living organism for their food. They live on or inside the body of other organism called host. They have special organs such as suckers. Okay, it's have a special organs. The name suckers. Okay. For a best example of parasite, cuscuta, tapeworms and roundworms, etc. Okay. Cuscuta you studied. The tapeworms are inside the intestine in human beings. Okay. The tapeworm is inside the intestine of human beings. Okay. Then we goes to saprophytes. Saprophyte obtained their food from dead and decaying matter. Listen, the parasite take their food from living organism, but the saprophyte take their food from dead and decaying matter. Okay. Then second one, they do not live on or inside the body of other organism, and they do not live on inside the body of other organisms. Okay. They secrete enzyme to decompose complex molecules into simple forms. But parasite have a special organs. Okay, to suck their nutrition. It used for suck their nutrition. But saprophyte secrete a special enzymes to decompose complex molecules into simple form. Best example of saprophytes, fungi, bacteria, mushrooms, etc. Okay. Then third question, how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? You already studied a lower class, okay. A small test. Steps to test the presence of starch in leaves. First one, you take a green leaf and boil it in water for 5 to 6 minutes. Now place it in warm alcohol for some time. This will remove the green pigment. Then the third one, wash the leaf with water and add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on it. Then fourth point, the blue black color of the leaf indicate the presence of starch in leaves. In previous class in 6th standard we use this one, iodine test. Allah remember it? That is starchy, the presence of, that is indicate the presence of starch in leaves. Okay. Then fourth question, give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Answer, green plants synthesize their food with the help of photosynthesis. The process name is photosynthesis. The process by which green plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called photosynthesis. The formation, carbon dioxide plus water, the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the product name carbohydrate plus oxygen. Okay. Then we goes to the fifth one. Show with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. What a sunlight, the first box, first you draw a 3 box straight line and you draw a V shape, upper side one box and lower side one box, and the upper side another one box you draw upper side. Okay. First box you write sunlight. The second one, plants. The plants prepare their food from sunlight, autotrophs. They make their own food, so it is undergoes autotrophs. Then in this plant, the heterotrophs, that means human beings, some animals, all are eat the autotrophs, plants. They make their food from plants. So these are heterotrophs, undergoing heterotrophs. The heterotrophs divided 3 main one, herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Okay. So the figure shows that autotrophs prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. All heterotrophs, herbivores, carnivores and omnivorous, depend on autotrophs for their nutritional needs. Hence, plants are the ultimate source of food. Okay. Students, all need clearly and neatly in your note. Okay. Thank you.